In a world driven by financial uncertainty and shifting economic landscapes, the quest for financial independence has taken center stage. Imagine a life where your investments work tirelessly for you, generating a steady stream of income without the need to clock in at a 9-to-5 job. It's a vision that many aspire to, and one avenue that beckons those seeking financial freedom is the alluring realm of living off dividends. But how much do you really need to seamlessly transition into a life where dividends become your primary source of sustenance? Join us on a journey through the intricate web of financial planning and investment strategies as we unravel the mystery of just how much it takes to savor the sweet taste of living off dividends. Get ready to explore the art and science of wealth creation in a world where dividends aren't just payouts. They're the keys to unlocking a life of financial autonomy. Having explored various passive income avenues such as side hustles, real estate, and marketing programs, I can confidently assert that, based on my experience, dividends are one of the most straightforward ways to replace your income with a surprisingly modest investment. Before we proceed, it's crucial to highlight a caveat that we'll address shortly. Thus, let's explore whether dividend investing is genuinely worth it. Ascertain the realistic amount required to replace your income. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Financial Bridge for more financial insights, and let's jump right in. Dividend basics. To comprehend the concept, it's vital to understand that when you purchase a stock, you become entitled to a share of the company's profits. Some companies distribute profits regularly through dividends, fixed amounts paid per share quarterly. The dividend yield is calculated based on the stock's current trading price. While not all companies pay dividends, those that do typically offer yields ranging from 1 to 10%. Pros of dividends. Steady income. Dividends provide a reliable and regular stream of income for investors, offering financial stability. Passive income. Dividend payments require minimal effort on the part of the investor, making it a form of passive income. Dividend aristocrats. Investing in companies with a history of consistent dividend increases, dividend aristocrats can provide a reliable and growing income over time. Cash flow predictability. Dividends contribute to predictable cash flow, as the amount is usually fixed and not directly tied to stock price fluctuations. Long-term growth potential. Reinvesting dividends can lead to the compounding of wealth over time, potentially increasing the overall investment value. Historical resilience. Dividend-paying stocks have shown resilience during economic downturns, providing a buffer against market volatility. Cons of dividends. Not guaranteed. Dividend payments are not guaranteed, and companies may reduce or eliminate them, especially during economic downturns or financial challenges. Stock value dependence. Relying solely on dividends may overlook the fact that a decline in the value of the underlying stock can offset the income received from dividends. Tax implications. Dividends are taxed when received, and the tax rates may vary based on the investor's tax bracket. This could result in a higher tax burden compared to capital gains. Limited upside potential. Investing in dividend-paying stocks may limit the potential for capital appreciation, as companies focusing on dividends may allocate less to reinvestment and growth initiatives. Vulnerability to economic conditions. Dividend payments can be impacted during economic recessions or industry-specific downturns, leading to reductions or suspensions. How much do you need? Ultimately, the amount you need depends on your chosen lifestyle. Whether you're residing in a luxurious New York City penthouse or embracing a minimalist life in a Montana tiny home, your expenses will vary. On average, retirees spend around $50,000 annually, serving as a baseline. When it comes to dividends, prioritizing consistency over the highest yield is crucial. Enter the realm of dividend aristocrats, 65 S&P 500 companies boasting over 25 years of consecutive dividend increases. Selected based on size, growth, and sustained dividend growth, these companies have displayed remarkable stability. Over the past 2 decades, they only experienced negative growth in 2008 and 2018. The dividend aristocrats not only weather economic downturns but often outperform the market. These companies typically offer dividends ranging from 0.3% to 5.3%, with the majority falling between 2 and 3%. Assuming a 3% yield, an investment portfolio of approximately $1,670,000 is required to replace a $50,000 annual income. Further analysis reveals that achieving this goal involves investing $5,000 annually over 40 years, with the reinvestment of dividends. While dividends offer psychological benefits and steady income, it's crucial to prioritize a well-diversified portfolio. Dividends should complement, not dominate, your investment strategy, especially if you're young and have a longer investment horizon. The real value of dividends lies in the peace of mind they offer, knowing you can receive steady income without selling shares. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for joining us today on the Financial Bridge. Until next time, happy investing.